In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Facebook pixel step by step and start tracking conversions on your website. Welcome back to my channel. I am the mayor of Mayor Concept. And what I simply do on this channel is teach you the necessary skills that you need to start making money online. So if you want to learn a profitable skill that will actually make you a lot of money online, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the bell notification button so that whenever I drop similar valuable videos on my channel, you will be notified immediately. Picture this, you are running Facebook ad, you've set up your campaign, and you've already started investing your hard-earned money. And also, you are crossing your fingers for success. I don't know if this is a perfect cross-or. You are actually hoping for success on your campaign. But here is the thing, without proper tracking and measurement, you are shooting in the dark. See, let me break this down for you. You see, the way Facebook algorithm is structured, it is structured to use the results that you've been getting to get you more results. And that is if you feed it with enough data. A lot of you guys might have started running your ads without even setting up your pixel or even tracking your measurements. Just think that it doesn't matter, as long as I'm generating leads, then I'm fine. Do you know that you can be generating multiple of that leads that you're currently generating if you have the pixel properly installed on your website? And also, this can be a game changer for you if you're running sales campaign. You can triple your sales if you have this Facebook pixel set up on your website. So what is this Facebook pixel? Pixel is just like a police that is installed on your website, and it will track every single movement of everybody landed on your website. Those that have converted and those that just landed on your website and just, they just moved away. So the way to make this pixel work for you is to tell Facebook that, see, I have this list of people that have converted on my website. Maybe it's a sale that you've made, or maybe it's a lead that you've generated. And I want you to take these people as an example, then go out there on Facebook and fetch me more of these people. The only way you can do that with the Facebook algorithm is if you have it set up properly. You can see this can be a game changer for you, all right? And I'm going to show you step by step in this video every single thing you need to know on how to set up and track all the conversions that's happening on your website. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. All right, so you have logged into your Facebook account and you come over to the business manager account and just log in. Then you want to come over here to the business setting, then you have this. All right, so what you want to do simply is to click on this events manager. If the events manager is not there, what you simply have to do is to come down here. You should see it right here. All right, so I'm just gonna click on event manager right here, and then download up in a minute. All right, so we want to close this up, and as you can see, there is one pixel already here that I've created, but we'll be starting all this afresh so that you can see how this is being done. All right, so what you want to do is just to come over here and click on connect data sources. Then you want to click on web and click on connect. Then what you want to do is just to name this data set so that you can remember. If you have multiple websites, you won't be having an issue figuring out the one you actually set for. Mayor 2. All right, so I'm just gonna click on create. All right, so as you can see now, we now have the two pixel. This is the one I've set before. So, and Facebook now has a particular option. Before, you cannot track offline events easily, but with Facebook ads now have the ability to be able to track your offline events. I'm going to show you every single thing practically, so don't worry. So the next thing you want to do is to come over here and click on setup pixel, meta pixel. Then you want to click on install code manually. All right, so now we have the code here. Just click on copy code. So the next thing you want to do is just to add on to your website. So if you have a WordPress website or you have HTML website. So if you are using WordPress website, I'm going to show you practically because I'm using WordPress website to make an example here. But if it is an HTML, just listen to this instruction. What you need to do is just to paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section, just above the head tag. All right, just above the head tag. Install the base code on every page of your website. So what you simply do is just to go ahead to your header section on your website and just paste this code there. You don't have to be a programmer to do this, don't worry. So I'm going to show you the WordPress version. There's a particular way I'm going to simplify this for you. Even if you are not a programmer, you don't need to code anything. Just come here and copy this code. All right, then I'm going to On this WordPress website, I'm going to explore a new plugin for this. So just click on add new, go to the plugin section and click on add new. And all right, so we want to come to this search button and just type in WP code. So the main function of this WP code is just to help us to install this code into our header section of this website, so that we don't have to be looking for a header section. You are not a programmer, you just need to activate Pixel your website by yourself. All right, so once you are done, click on activate. All right, so as you are done activating, then you actually see this WP code here, right here. So we should see WP code snippet. All right, so it is called code snippet. So if you click on this code snippet, you can see we have the header and footer section here. Just click on it. All right, so all you want to do is just to paste the code we copied. As you can see now, it has been pasted, and go right here and click on save changes. All right, so we are done with that. Then we'll come back to our Meta page. Okay, Event Manager. Then you're going to click on continue. Then you want to leave this, you can leave it turned on or off, then you don't have any problem. Just click on continue. And now, so we need this event setup tools. If it's not showing also, like it's not showing here, then all you need to do is just to go to Pixel overview. It might be showing for yours, but it's showing, just click on it directly. But it's not showing, these are other way you can go about it. There is a particular extension that I would recommend to make this easier for us. So just want to open a new tab and type in Metal Pixel Epper. Pixel Epper. So this will help us to locate whether just go to Metal Pixel Epper. So whether any code is installed on our website or not. So this will allow us to know. We're going to click on Add to Chrome, add extension, right? So that's that. Then you come over here and clean it right here. Then want to come over here and reload this page right here. So as you can see right here, it's saying it is not detecting, because I copied the code. It has detected this event that I have viewed this page. All right. So that is what you need to do. Then come back to Events Manager. As you can see right here, it is now showing events received. That's been processed. So now the next thing we want to do once we have this here is to create a particular ad. All right, so you can just use it as testing. Come over here to Ads Manager. All right. All right, then we click on create. So wait for it to load up and come over here to create. Then you want to select any of these. So continue. Then name it testing so that you don't get it mixed up with your campaigns. Testing. So what you have to do now is to come over here, your access level. You want to activate this pixel right away. Do you understand? So what we're going to do here is just to click on this and use mail. So as you can see, it's now retrieving your event. All right. So we don't have any events yet. Maybe like for computerization, I'm going to still show you how you can set it up properly. How you can set up your computerization properly. But we want to come over to this ads level also, and just come down. All right, as you can see right here, as you confirm that this has the green button, that means it is measuring and it is tracking your website. So you want to close this, just close it, then come back to Meta Business Suite, then come back to Meta Business Tools, then go to settings, business settings. Yeah, all you need to do now is just to go over to just go over to Events Manager again. Now you want to come over here. As you can see, we now have the Mail tool, which is now showing green sign. As you can see, this Mail is not showing green sign. because we have not activated any code on any website. So I'm just gonna, data sources, come over to data sources, and you're going to see, we should see our events right here. So as you can see now, this is now showing events. This was not showing before at all. This is now showing events. So see, I know you have been getting value from this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. All right, give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit on that subscribe button so that you don't miss any updates. Also, if you have any question at all, make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be responding to each and every one of you in the comment section. So let's get back to the video. Now, to add our events. Now, what is an event? Event is actually maybe someone landed on your page, all right, and they take a particular action. Maybe they click on a button, sign up button, or they click on a congratulations button that, okay, click on this join button now. Or maybe they click on any button, or they perform any particular task. Maybe they add something to cart. So this event, when you set it up, you will be able to track each and every one of the person that are actually performing particular action. Maybe they are purchasing, people that purchased something on your site, or maybe people that completed the registration. This is very, very important because this is what you will use to run conversion ads. It is what you use to optimize your campaign. All right. Because Facebook will go out and look for similar people that will convert like these people are converting. So they have more data to work on your campaign for you. So what you want to do now is just come back to these settings right here. Come back, then go over to the open event setup tools. Now you can see that we can now open this website right now. So now you can now click on your. Now, once you have this now, just click on open website. All right. So as you can see right here, it's now showing what? It's now showing, it's tracking our website, and it's now showing this button right here. All right. So we have the event on this page, and we have all events. You can see we have track a new button and track a URL. All right. So what we want to be doing is to track, you can track this register now button, but what I want to track is not the register now button here. I'm going to be tracking this register now button. But the main thing I want to really optimize for is after someone has become a lead, because this is a lead campaign for me. All right. After someone has really become a lead is when they, after clicking this register now button, all right, after they click this register now button, you should take them to this congratulations page. So what I really want to count as a lead for me is this, all the people that click on this join button. So this is what we want to be tracking. All right. So this is what we want to be tracking right here. So I'm just gonna go back and first track that. We want to track a new button here. Then I'm going to scroll and click on this button. Then you also click on select an event. So it now depends on what you want to, maybe any particular thing you are doing. Maybe I'm going to select view content because I believe this is just a landing page. All right, this is just a landing page, and they are just viewing the content on my landing page, whoever is here. All right. I believe those that are on my join page are those people that, that's really take the action I want on my website. So I'm just going to click on view content and don't include a value and click on confirm. All right. And this is now tracking this event right now. Now I want to track the event on this, the register now. It should show up, but if it is not showing up, there's no problem. You just have to come back to this event manager and type in the URL that you want. All right. So then you cancel it and open it again, and again. Then you are going to open the website. Person has actually filled out an info, but I prefer complete registration because they have completed registration process. If they have clicked on this join button, that means they have completed the registration process. And Facebook will look for this kind of people to know, so that will perform this same task that these people have performed, and optimize my campaign and scale it up. All right, so I'm going to click on confirm, and as you can see, it is now tracking it. So we want to click on finish setup, and we forgot to actually finish the setup on that one before. and click on finish. Then just keep this and you're able to go for that one. Come over to overview, and so come over to open event setup tools, and the first one, then open websites. So you have to click on that finish setup so that it can really track. As you can see, the view content is there, but we have not finished the setup. No event has been added up to finish. So don't ask me in the end, skip. So that is that. We are done here. So now if we visit the website, we should be able to track. This should be able to record our if we click on test event, because this might not update immediately. All right, this might not update immediately. It might take some hours for some, depending on your website. Now, if you want to test this now, what you have to do now is just to go to your website. That your website that you set up. Just click on, let me say, okay. As you can see, then I'm gonna click on register now. I'm gonna click on register now. As you can see, these numbers are increasing. So I'm gonna click on join. I'm going to click on the join button. And as you can see, this is the last page. Then come over to your events manager. As you can see, there are lots of things that has happened right here. So it's showing page view, microdata, subscribe button click. They have viewed the content, page view, automatically logged, subscribe button click. All right. Then the last one is what they have completed registration. So this is what Facebook will actually later on update here and start using. If we refresh this page, it might be showing, but if it's not showing, there's no problem. It might update. It will actually update itself. All right. So it will update itself later on. So, yep. So the next thing you want to do is just to come over here. Come over here and click on overview. All right. So click on show events. So it's not reading it yet. So, but in case of yours, it might start reading immediately, or even after like some few hours, your event will start tracking immediately. So that is all for Facebook Pixel setup. All right. So once now after you have run all these, you have set this up, the next thing you want to do is to run conversion ads. So whenever you want to run conversion ads, you select that objective that you want Facebook to optimize for. For example, you come over to your ads manager. I'm just going to show you an example of how to run conversion ads that will focus on people like the people that are already converting for you. For example, we'll go to, let's just edit this one that we are using as our testing so that you can comprehend what I'm saying. So what you simply need to do here is just to come over to the ad set level. Come over to the ad set level. And all you just need to do is to click on, you maximize the number of conversions, and you do what? You complete the registration. You click on complete registration, because this is what we actually selected on the final destination of our lead. So Facebook will look for those kind of people that have completed your registration on your website and optimize your campaign and scale it up. This is a massive way to actually improve your Facebook ads campaign and and make your campaign a successful one. All right guys, thank you for watching. And you might have known that if you want to make a huge amount of money in this online space, then you have to be very, very skilled. See, all these videos that you can make $100 in a day, you can make $500 in a day by just performing simple tasks, they are fake. You will have realized that already. If you haven't realized, you can try them out and just come back to me when you are done wasting your data. See, the main thing is I have a WhatsApp business community. In this my WhatsApp business community, I teach people all the digital skills that they need and they require to start making money for themselves online. And also, I personally live with them and answer all their questions concerning digital marketing. And the biggest part is that you won't be charged a dime to get onto this group. I mean it. Yes, I'm very, very serious. You won't be charged anything to start learning directly from me. So if you are interested, before the group is filled up, just, go ahead to the description of this video. You see a link there. I'll take you to the WhatsApp community. Also, if you're just starting out with Facebook ads, there is a high percentage that Facebook will actually ban your account. All right. Or maybe if you have been running ads Facebook and you are not focusing on some things, Facebook might ban your account. All right. And if you are in that situation where Facebook has banned your account, I've made a video that will, solve this problem for you. This channel is all about solving problems. All right. So I've made a video that will actually solve that problem for you. And the video is popping out right now. So just click on that video and, I'll see you on the other side.